ta'ala, we say, Allahumma innaka afu, oh Allah, you the God that overlooks, tuhibbul afwa, you love to overlook fa'afwanna, overlook our sins for us. And this is major and minor sins together, right? This is the dua that we make. We are asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that from His attributes that He loves to overlook, He should overlook our sins, right? Whoever goes through the last 10 days of Ramadan, this last 10 nights of Ramadan, seriously, and they do not ensure that their sins are forgiven, whatever ibadat they can do, this is the time you do it. The last leg of the race determines the winner. So all what we've been doing is preparation for this last leg of the race. This is where we tighten our belt, we lace our boots, and we run as fast as we can.